How to delete multiple apps at once on your Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can uninstall multiple apps at once on your Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two ways to do it. One is if your phone supports it by default, you don't have to make use of some other applications, and other is if your phone doesn't support it, and I'll also show you how you can do it without downloading any third-party apps, by the way. So in my case, I'm actually using a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If I want to delete multiple apps, I just have to go ahead and select a specific app, then choose the select button, and I can select the apps that I want to uninstall over here. Once I select the apps that I want to uninstall from my home screen, I can just tap on the uninstall button on the top left. But I understand that many of you might not have this feature due to the lack of availability of Android upgrades on your phone. So in that case, there is also another way, and you don't need any third-party apps. All you need is your own Google Play Store. Now you might wonder, we can only uninstall one by one, but no, we can actually uninstall many apps at once on your Google Play Store as well. Open Google Play Store, tap on the profile icon from the top right, go to manage apps and devices, and then here you can see all apps. So just go to all apps over here, or else you can go to the option called manage, and over here you want to make sure you're under the install tab. It will show you the apps that are currently installed on your phone. Now here you can just select the apps that you want to delete. So just go ahead and select different types of apps that you actually want to delete over here. Once you select the applications that you want to delete, I just select 2 apps as well. In this case I can select much more if I want to, and after I do that, I just need to tap on the trash icon from the top right, and it will actually delete multiple apps on my Android at once without having me to go ahead and uninstall them manually one after another. So just tap on uninstall. It may take some time, but it is going to get your job done. As you can see, very simple, very clean, very neat, and very easy process. That's all it takes to delete multiple apps at once on your Android phone without any third-party apps, and by simply using your Google Play Store officially. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.